get it, Ryu. Let him get it, puppy. Yay! Now, Ryu, give it to your brother so your brother can wind it up. Okay, wind it up, puppy. Wind it up for him. Watch, Ryu, watch. Let it go, puppy. It took too long. If you do it too many times, it doesn't work, you see? Just do it 2 times and let it go. Oh, he's standing. Can you walk to your brother? Stand close to him so he can walk to you. Let go of the bug. Try to catch him if he walks to you. Put the bug over there. Away from your feet. No, Ryu, don't eat the sticker. Just get closer to him so he can walk to you. Ryu, walk to your brother. Walk. Oh, he gave a sticker. Oh, watch out!